Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Another video on ticker symbol PROG. You can see that the stock is up by 18% today, even though after hour it is down by 5 cents. But look at the picture here. At one point in the morning market open, this one moved from 3.4 all the way to 6.5. Almost you can double your money, right? It went up, it came down, moved sideways, but still it ended the day 18% up. Very, very nice stock. And if you do not know, I just made another video just on October 23rd calling it is for coming this week. And I'm so happy that pre-market it went to 6.5. Even now it ended the day right at 4 on Tuesday. So very, very happy. If you are part of my Discord family, then most of us entered the stock for day traders or swing traders around 3.2 again. And at one point in the morning, it was almost 90% up if you rode all the way to $6, right? But anyway, METX, another one, some of the members, they entered yesterday again around 35 cents. They are up by 95%. Some of us entered around 30 cents. We went a lot. So anyway, that's not the big thing. The only thing is if you're interested for having this kind of trading ideas, then I invite you to join my Patreon and my Discord family so that we can all trade together. There are some package. Come and join us and let's trade together, make money, and let's get rich. Anyway, so before I talk about the PROG, the support, resistance, and all other things, a few other things I just want to let you know that in the morning a news came that they have reduced their outstanding debt by 20 million through a private exchange of 20.17 million of its 7.25% convertible senior notes due 2025 for shares of common stock. So this news came in the morning and some people were saying just because of the news it came down, but again it went up because some people were again saying this is a good thing. But anyway, that was the news in the morning. If you want to go to Yahoo or anything, just read it or just pause and read the news. One other thing while I'm talking about the news that they will be participating in a conference. It will be on November 18th. 2:25 p.m. Eastern time. So it will be a live event, and from my channel I will be broadcasting that particular channel. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. So this is the overall chart, right? You see it went up all the way, came down, held the support at 3.5, then moving sideways. I will talk more about the price action. I will come back. I will talk about the support resistance. But before that, just like other days, I want to always show the volume. So you can see the volume was early in the morning, then middle of the day. So not a bad volume today. If you look here, day by day volume, let me load it. You can see recently PROG has been getting volume, big volume. Recently it has been getting big volume. If you look at today's total volume, you can see that the average volume is 154 million and today's volume was 250 million. A big volume, right? Also, if you want to look at the short interest, we know this is heavily shorted. So today the short interest has reduced. I think in the morning when it spikes, some shorts have covered. So it's not a big change, only 1.37% down. Still, the current short interest is 65.68%, which was posted 2 hours ago, thanks to the user who did that week scale on Reddit. If you go to Fintel, you can see it has only 0.08 days to cover for the short. Currently, dark pool has 52% short interest. Also, it was previously zero short shares availability. Now I see some numbers, but the borrow fee rate is 111%. Really nice. If I go to that chart, it shows me the average, which is 272%. The minimum is 134%. It varies side to side. If you look at the utilization is 99.89%, meaning that there are only few shares available. So few other things, I'll just go there. This is the chart I like. You can see the blue bars means the number of shares available to borrow. When it is 0, it means there is no shares available to borrow. So you can see it was 0, then there are some short covering, it went up again, but not a big number. It's still 55,000 shares are available. But the nice thing is, look at the fee, the borrow fee rate. It has been increasing 104%, 109%, 111%. So the shorts, they are paying more money for shorting this particular stock. Few other things I found on Investor Plays, that the stock may not be a great short squeeze play, but it has potential. Then it talks about the PROG stock. It talks about the major opportunity. the pattern power. Also, if you go the bottom line, but just I highlighted something here that therefore if you keep your position size small and can handle the volatility, a stake in Progenity could be your next big winner. This is what I always say whenever you are entering a penny stock or any kind of stock. Always you need to do some kind of risk management. I see many people lost money because all the hype stock, they came down. Some of them did some share offering. Always have a stop loss, always have an exit plan when to get out. So cut your loss early and maximize your profit. Anyway, let's talk about the price action. So first of all, why this is so important. So if you look yesterday's chart, right, so it was having a hard time breaking that 3.5. It tried one time, two time, and again three times. It tried so hard to break that particular resistance 3.5 area. It couldn't. Then it went to 6.5 in the morning, came down, but the good thing is it held the 3.7 3.5 strong support, very very strong. This is the good thing. So if you're planning to enter, 3.5 seems like a good area and definitely have a stop loss. But it goes up and down. At one point it tried to break 4.2, it couldn't, so I see some double bottom here. Also pre-market it went to 4.1. so this is the important area, 4.1, 4.2. This area needs to be broke. So after hour, currently it is sitting at 3.95 and I'm recording the video at 5:50 p.m. so still we have more than 2 hours. We will see where PROG goes. But if I just zoom out and I'll go to a daily chart, I want to show you something because I love this stock so much. I cover a lot, and over Discord we do this stock almost every day, day trading, swing trading. So look every day how it is ending. So we end here 1.3, then the next support is like $2, then we are here something around 2.23. Now we have found a support around 3, and now we are around 3.5. So one other thing I want to show, because I do not want to say I'm just pumping, because you see how it moves. It goes up, then it comes down. Sorry, the bat comes down. So it comes down. Again, a big push, comes down, big push, comes down, big push. It might come down. And why I'm saying, look at the daily chart. Look at the RSI. Yes, the RSI is going higher and higher, and the current RSI is 78. Anything over 70 is overbought. Keep that in mind. Look at the MACD. So if you see the stock is coming down, maybe it will come down to 3.5. It is okay, because the stock will never go up each and every day. But it is okay if there is a pullback. But as long I see day by day it is making higher high and higher low. This is the big thing. Let me show you how I say higher high and higher low. So this is the uptrend. Within the trend it is going up and down, up and down. So it might have a pullback, then again it will push, but this is okay as long as you are holding shares. This is fine. Look at today's candle, a big wick at the top, a big wick at the bottom. So huge volatility, and seems like it might come down or might go up, something like undecided. So I'm going back to hourly chart again. So this is what I was telling each and every day. You see some kind of support, next push, support, next push, support. So this is how it is moving. I do not want to pump, but I'm very very excited, because so far on an hourly chart you can see it has been holding 3.5 and it has been having hard time over 4.2. Why it was up today? Because 3.5 was a major resistance for PROG, so today when it moved the 3.5, there were many shorts, so they had to cover. That is why from $4 3.5 it went all the way to 6.5, came down again. I see some shares that is still, sorry, still the short interest is so high, so there are still many shorts. So if it can go over 4.2, 4.5 again, maybe we will see again $5, $6. So I'm very very excited. I'm holding my shares, even though I expect it might come down, but this is okay if it comes down. As long as it is going higher, we are okay. Over our channel we talked about PROG at 90 cents. I know many people, they are holding since 90 cents, so they are up like almost 4 or 5 times. So it doesn't mean you can do day trade, swing trade, but anyway. Now let's go back to an option chart. So the nearest option expiry date is 19th of November, and you can look at the 3.5, 4, those strike price. Look at the volume. For 4 strike price, 29,000 volume. So lots of call options, lots of volume are on these one, because they are predicting big on this particular stock. If you look at the call versus put, very high, 123,000 versus 10,000. in terms of open interest, 136,000 compared to 31,000 of put. Sorry, I'm mixing up. It's a long day. It's 6 p.m. but I'm just making the video up before the after hour ends. If you plan to enter and if there is a dip, that is why. So anyway, I hope the information I presented in this particular stock, you loved the stock information, and if you find it useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, give a try, join my Patreon, and let's chat. Let's get like all live trade for different tickers, support resistance, so that we can all make some money. Give a try. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.